Hi, Abrar. Let's welcome
Hi,
Mohammed Abrar, who is alumni of DataMites, currently working as a data scientist. I'm so glad, Abrar, to welcome you. It's nice to have you with us so that we can learn from your
okay.
experience and all our participants and audience can enlighten themselves about all your journey about data, how you have got into data science and how you have learned and it will be an interesting talk today. Yeah, hi Abrar. You can introduce
Hi.
yourself today
Uh,
about yourself, how you got into your
okay.
background, what is your background, how
Mm,
you got into data science. Just a self introduction to begin with.
okay. Hi, everyone. I'm Mohammed Abrar. I completed my BE Mechanical Engineering at the Alumni Technology. After that, I worked as a graduate engineering trainee at some mechanical field. After that, I want to switch my career into the data science. So I switched it to my data science domain. So I did the course data science at DataMites. Now I'm working as a data analyst at Casagrand. I just placed. I have joined at 2 weeks before.
Oh, it's nice to hear about that. Interestingly,
Okay.
your degree in is in mechanical engineering. So how you got into programming, and did you have a passion about learning Python and other SQL and other languages, and also how you got to know about data science and what were you passionate from beginning itself to get into this field?
Yeah. Uh, Actually, I heard about. I very much interested in data science because I very much like in machine learning, AI kind of things. So I want to become a data scientist at the time. So I chose the data mites and I learned from the scratch because I don't know about anything in Python machine learning. I am from mechanical background, no? So I'm not able to do all those coding. So beginning itself, I start studying in Python. I'm mainly focused in the Python, machine learning, statistics everywhere. But now I got selected in data analyst. It's completely different from this, but I know very well about in SQL and creating dashboard. Because of that, only they recruited me.
Yeah.
So every day, day to day life, I just start studying. Beginning itself like Python. I try everything in apart from our class, whatever they learned me in. After that, I practice everything. So that was the reason.
Yeah, it's very inspiring to know that you have learned from scratch, and for all those who are trying to get into data sciences, it's really inspiring, Mohammed Abrar, that you learned everything from scratch and you are able to successfully get into the companies. It's nice too. It's very encouraging because you might have done a lot of hard work behind this and learned it. So did you felt any difficulty while learning SQL and Python? Was how many hours of practice you have done for SQL, Python, and other topics?
I spent it for 2 hours in a day because I spent in mostly in hacker rank. Hacker rank means that Python coding. I learned a lot from the platform, even though I'm daily practicing every day. And I implement the machine learning models day to day. Right? So it's familiar to me. So I'm in SQL and creating dashboard also. I'm very much interested in EDA part. So data, I very much interested for like I familiar with Power BI and Tableau and SQL. So it helpful to get a job for analyst. So that is the reason.
Oh, that's nice to hear because that all the effort which you have put behind this, and also you have an interest as per you in SQL and creating dashboard. Yeah, of course, we all enjoy creating dashboards. It's very interesting
Yeah.
to create dashboards, and we enjoy finally the results which we get. Okay. So, can I ask you how many interviews have you gone through till now, and number of interviews before you successfully cracking the this company?
Yeah, I attend five interviews
Five
before
interviews.
that.
Okay, 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 okay. Oh, so no issues. Now, like, what are the normal questions they used to ask in interviews? Like,
They
especially
mainly
your
focused
data
on,
analyst. Yeah, yeah.
yeah, because they mainly focused on situation-based question and application-based question. Even though for my this company, I attended 3 rounds. Okay, 3 years
Mm-hmm.
of 3 is technical round only, not even HR
Okay,
round,
okay,
not in the
okay, okay.
basic round. They mainly focused on situation-based question and
Mm-hmm.
application-based question. They don't want any coding. They don't want any answers from us. So they want logical thinking like this, where
Mm-hmm.
we no need to tell the exact answer. So we just give an idea to them. So they will consider. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
we don't no need to tell the exact value, exact answer. They don't want any exact answer also. They want
Mm-hmm.
only how we are thinking, like at the situation, how
Mm-hmm.
we can able to tell the answer. So that is
Mm.
they mainly consideration like that.
Okay, okay. Did they
Okay,
ask you
most of
any?
the interview they only concentrate on situation based question.
Okay, okay. Did they ask any? Did they ask any questions on SQL and any topics they asked on SQL?
Yeah, one interesting question I got at the time. They asked me to how you convert a numerical column into categorical column.
Mm-hmm.
So they asked at the time, and I said like we can't convert numerical column into categorical column. I mean character column. He give a clue like truncate using truncate. We just using truncate. We just convert the column itself and then copy into another cell, copy into another table, and paste it again. It will change. It's like situationally based. He not asked about directly. He just
Mm-hmm.
asked about situation like I want this water bottle. I with the, it is full of water.
Mm-hmm.
You have to change it into juice. How you change it? So like that.
Oh,
He
nice.
asked at the
Mm-hmm.
time.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, yeah.
Okay,
Nice,
so
nice questions.
they
Interesting.
like
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
and one more question I got from Power BI like how you connect because if I give a 10 lakhs to you and you spend it in 5 lakhs, the 10 lakhs in one separate column, sorry, separate table and 5 lakhs in other table. How you connect these two and how you visualize in the Power BI. So this question also I got it at the time.
Mm-hmm.
Using DAX function, we can connect it. So I said the answer.
Okay.
They impressed at the time.
Okay. Nice, nice. Any Python questions you got from for data analyst
Uh,
into?
Not for the data analyst, they don't ask any Pythons, but I get questions in other interview
Mm-hmm.
uh, like they want to reverse the list like that. So some
Okay.
of the people were asking like uh, creating code like using while loop and for loop.
Mm-hmm.
If I get a Python question, they've only focused on like loop kind of
Okay. Mm-hmm.
functions, for loop, while loop, that
Okay.
kind of
Okay.
questions.
Okay. Your practice must have helped crack those questions.
Yeah,
Surely. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
yeah.
It's nice. Nice to hear about all the things. Yeah. So, like, how many weeks, how much time you took after you had completed your course, or basically the project,
Uh,
internship project, for you
okay.
to crack this interview? Like, so how many hours you
Actually,
spent after that? Yeah.
I applied after completing the course. During my internship also, I just started applied in everything.
Okay.
So
Okay.
after completing the course, it took around 2 months.
2 months.
I completed my course on May, I think so. May end, okay, like
Okay.
June.
Okay.
Now August I joined in
Yeah.
as
Like,
a data
did you had
analyst.
you completed the internship, or during internship only you started applying?
Yeah, during internship I start
Okay.
applying.
Started. Okay. Okay. So along with the projects, you were also
Yeah, along with
doing
those.
their. Okay. 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 So nice to hear about it. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, do you are you currently have you joined the company right now, right?
Yeah, I
Yeah.
joined
Like, how
around
is your
2 years.
experience? Oh, very, very,
Uh,
very new. Yeah, yeah. How is your experience? How are you feeling
uh,
in the as a because you're a fresher? it must be
Yeah.
a very interesting and exciting, and also a little bit kind of a new as a fresher. How do
New
you
thing.
feel working in a corporate as a data analyst?
Yeah, it's my very first company. I worked as a IT employee, so it is new to me. Okay,
Hmm.
whenever we receive the data, it's will fully connected with server.
Okay.
We received only raw data
Mm-hmm.
and different source. Okay, using the SQL and Excel, we connect all those things and visualized by using Power BI and Excel to Excel pivot everything.
Mm-hmm.
So it's new to me because in we didn't use any server in our uh, course and internship. No? So it will make it
Mm-hmm.
quite different from this because we received only
Mm-hmm.
raw data in different tables. We connect all those tables in Power BI and visualize it,
Mm-hmm.
and we pre-processed by using Excel. So they are mainly focused on Excel and Power
Okay.
BI and SQL. For a
Mm-hmm.
data analyst, they mainly focused on Excel, SQL, and Power BI Tableau, Tableau also.
Mm-hmm.
So
Okay.
it's very new to me. So I have to learn a lot of things.
Yeah. But all with all, you have completed your journey from scratch. I hope that won't be
Yeah,
very difficult for you to
yeah.
learn.
Yeah.
I think, yeah, that's nice. Yeah. What all projects you have done during your internship, are any kind of projects which you have done on your own also?
Actually, I did around 20 project in myself. Okay,
Okay,
myself
very nice.
using
Mm,
for machine learning, EDA, everything. I did 20. Apart from that, during my internship, I did four
mm.
capstone project and one client projects.
Okay, totally
That's
25 projects you have done till now.
yeah, around 20.
Yeah. I think a lot. That's
Yeah,
nice
it's
to
like
hear.
a practice, not
Yeah.
completed
No,
for
no,
a
but
practice for a
Mhm.
uh,
But still, yeah. What all resources you used during your extra projects which you have done?
uh, I used to like SQL, mainly machine learning, using the Jupyter notebook, uh,
Mm-hmm.
and Power BI Tableau. I create a dashboard using Power
Mm-hmm.
BI and Tableau, both Power BI Tableau.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this platform. Mainly.
Okay. That's nice. Yes. So, like for the people who, there are many people who get into this, they want to get into this field of data science or data analyst, and they
Yeah,
don't have any background, like you, for example, you being a mechanical engineer, you have analytical skills, but these rules you have never used in your degree or anything. Like, what do you
yeah.
say? Like, what do you tell? How many hours they should put in? Any kind of tips and a word for them, especially
Okay.
the people without background. Like, how many hours they should put in? Yeah.
Yeah, for a daily, you just put for 1 hour practicing. Just practice the Python coding and machine learning video like kind of thing. You just put effort for 1 hour in daily. It will
Okay.
helpful for you.
Mm.
So for a 1 hour, it's enough. If you put a effort for 1 hour for daily. Okay, I'm not telling that wait. So consistently, you put a effort on this platform, you definitely will get a job.
Yeah,
So that's not
definitely.
a problem. So definitely, those who are put a lot of efforts in this platform, they got to know how it is happened, how it is work. So everything they will know, they will learn.
Definitely, Abrar. Consistency is the key to success
Yeah,
in any domain or any field. Without consistency, will be lost. Whatever we learn, surely. That's nice to hear from you. Like, yeah, how you manage your time? Like, I think, were you had you passed out during your course? Were you like doing classes also when you joined the course?
okay. Actually, I'm a weekday student, so I have class for 2 hours in per
Mm-hmm.
day. After completing the class, I just asking the questions for the if I have any doubts at the time. So
Mm-hmm.
I just ask him the mentor. It, after that, I come back to my home. So I just practice for 1 hour or 1.5 hours. So like that.
Yeah, okay, that's nice to hear. So, yeah, Abrar, I'm so very glad to hear you. It's very inspiring journey, all the way from mechanical engineer to a data analyst. So, just let's take some questions from participants. Let me check out. Yes, participants, you can ask some questions around here to Mohammed Abrar if there are any specific questions from your end. Yeah. Let's wait, Abrar. Let the
Yeah.
participant post questions in the Q&A or chat box.
Okay.
Okay, let's wait for that. Yeah, Anas Sheikh, he had already answered. His education background is mechanical engineer. He has done 4 years of degree in mechanical engineering. His education background is. So Anas is asking the same thing. I think you have already answered your
So,
question, yeah, in the beginning of interview. Maybe he had missed it out. Has a degree in mechanical engineering. After that, he switched over to data science, and now he's working as a data analyst. Yes, participants, do you have any more questions from your end? Yeah, you can post Murtaza Alam. You can post your question in the chat box. You can type your question in the chat box or Q&A, of course. Okay, looks like we don't have any questions from the
okay.
audience. Okay, yeah. Okay, no questions from YouTube and LinkedIn. Yeah, there is a question. I think Shahista Parveen wants to ask a question. Yes, Shahista, you can just type your question in the chat box, Q&A. I'll ask him, Murtaza. Yeah, please, Shahista, you can ask your doubt. Yeah, sure. Yeah, Shahista, you can go ahead and type your question in the Q&A. Yeah, it looks like there's no reply from her. Thank you, Mohammed Abrar. Thank you for the day. Like we are really inspired and thankful for you to spend
Um,
your time with us and
sir,
for becoming a.
actually, they asked him the question and answer.
Let
Hello,
me
bro. Just wanted to know how to proceed the preparation of this course. Like we needed to study many subjects. So what will be scheduled for the which subject? Okay. Uh, Muttasa Alam asked me the question like we need to study many subjects. So what will be scheduled for each subject? Look, Alam, just focused on main subjects only. So you no need to learn everything like GitHub kind of thing. You just mainly focused on Python, Power BI, Tableau. If you want to become a data analyst, you just focused on SQL, Excel, and Power BI Tableau. If you want to become a data scientist, you just focused on statistics, machine learning, Python, deep learning, and so on like this. You just if you want to put a lot of effort, just put 2 hours in a day. So it will helpful for you. And Shastita Praveen is asked, like, I have completed my BTech in 2018 from electrical engineering. I have a 4 year gap after that I completed. Okay. Actually, I'm completed my BE mechanical engineering at 2021 first out. After that, I just worked for graduate engineering training in somewhat like mechanical code field. Uh, Now I joined as a fresher. They won't consider as an experienced candidate. So you don't worry about anything for the career gap. So just try. You will get a job. So that's not a worry.
Yeah. Next, we have a question from Rahul. He's asking, could you explain how much visual basic knowledge you will need for data analytics?
For a data analyst, mainly we know about the visualization things. Okay, they only want to how we visualize, how we think different thing, creative thing, and innovation thing. They want to know about this thing only. We have to perform well in like EDA process, like data analyst, analytical visualization things. That is the important thing. So you
Okay.
have to learn the visualization things.
Murtaza Alam is asking, he knows SQL. How to become a data scientist? He's asking. Okay.
For a data scientist, you have to learn the machine learning statistics and Python. So SQL, there are a lot of companies preferred for SQL. Even I got a lot of questions from SQL only for a data analyst, as well as I attended in some other data scientist role. So they are mainly asked to SQL. So for a data scientist, you have to learn the machine learning and like statistics and Python.
Okay. Okay. Then
So you must be have.
yeah, Shaista is asking how to prepare for data analyst. He has told all the things in the interview. You can watch this video which is being recorded and it will be posted in YouTube, LinkedIn, and all. You can watch the video. He has in detail explained how to prepare, which all platforms to go through. Very much in detail, he has explained and guided us. Thank you. Yeah, thank you,
Thanks.
thank you, Abrar. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
It's very nice to talk with you. And okay,
Okay.
bye. Bye. Have a nice day.
Okay.